Today we're headed to a destination that's right in the heart of Perth and is a breeding ground for environmentalists of the future. It's pretty noisy, yet it's peaceful. It's lush and green, but it's also home to more than 1,300 inhabitants. Any ideas? Let's see if you can work it out over breakfast, and look, don't bother with your manners. Banana leaves, bok choy, frozen treats and very hairy hands. This is the closest you can get to dining with the orangutans here in WA. Perth Zoo, a 5-minute ferry ride from the CBD, has become exceptionally good at making the zoo experience a more personal experience. And by doing that, it's helping us to understand even more about the importance of protecting the natural environment. There are plenty of opportunities here to get a little bit closer than you would expect on a traditional visit to the zoo. How are you with heights? I should have introduced you to our guide for today. Keeper Kayleen McKay is showing us around, and I'm very quickly understanding why zookeepers are so fit. This staircase is taking us eye to eye for a very tall encounter. So is there a baby in the background, you see?
Yeah, it is. This is Amani's new calf.
Yeah.
Little girl. She's 4 weeks old at current, so...
Bit camera shy?
A little bit camera shy, yeah.
The tongue is both equally intriguing and yet disturbing.
Yeah, a little bit of giraffe slobber you get when you come up here to feed them.
OK, sounds intriguing. And if I thought giraffe slobber was bad, it's nothing compared to the mound of zoo poo in this enclosure. Wear old shoes. So, Kayleen, I'm not actually worried about my shoes, but I'm guessing that from the size of that pile of manure, this is going to be a big encounter.
Yeah, let's go and have a look.
Oh, wow.
This is Memphis. This is our male rhinoceros.
Okay. What does he eat besides celery? Because I'm feeling like I'm a bit undergunned.
Celery's one of his favourites, actually. They're just like big horses. Don't mind the slobber there. They get bales of hay.
OK.
We need the adults to be able to stick their hands right up in there and give him a good feed.
It's not cheap to get this close to Memphis, but the reality is neither is protecting his species from extinction or feeding him each day.
By partaking in these encounters, it's fantastic, but the public money helps go back into conservation programs that we run through here at the zoo. Not only are we having the people get up close and personal, they get a connection with the animal and hopefully go away with a better understanding about their plight, and then also knowing that the money that they've spent today will help these guys in the wild. Time for our last eye-to-eye zoo encounter for the day, and a tad less drool. Meet Susie, whose passion is the smaller animals at Perth Zoo.
This is our discovery yard where we run our bush buddies and our scaly mates encounters. This is Nolga. She's part of our bush buddies encounter, and as you can see, she's super friendly. So we also do scaly mates in here. How do you feel about snakes?
Oh, so he's slightly smaller than the last encounter.
Yes, pretty different to Memphis that you would have met earlier. This is Wilbur the Woma python.
Aye, but equally as valuable, I would suspect.
Absolutely. These guys are a threatened species, and it's great for kids and adults to get up close to them, to appreciate them and realise that they really are our scaly mates.
This has been a very unexpected experience right in the heart of the city, and a lot of fun too. And what we saw today, well, that is just a sample of what is on offer. And if you'd like your very own eye-to-eye experience here at the zoo, check out all the details on our website.